Hello guys and welcome to our SkyQuad drone review. Before we get started, just a reminder that the link for SkyQuad drone's official website is in the description below. Drones are not as restricted to military operations as they were in the past. Drones are now used in a wide range of applications. Drone technology's efficiency in improving many aspects of daily life. Drones are useful for many purposes, including surveillance, business, transport, and just for fun. The world of drones is open to everyone. A majority of people now own a drone. This is an indication of how widespread they have become in their homes. Drones are a highly desirable prospect due to their many potential uses. They also make great commodities in many markets around the globe. What is the SkyQuad drone? SkyQuad drone is a mini quadcopter designed to provide the best drone experience. It was created to be easy to control, fly faster, take better pictures, and be more stable. Lightweight and portable, it fits easily into your bag and can be taken with you wherever you go. SkyQuad drones are easy to control and fly. It doesn't require any special knowledge or skills. The SkyQuad drone comes with a user-friendly remote control system. It is linked to your smartphone so you can view the videos and pictures as they are being shot. SkyQuad drone was created by people who wanted to strike a balance between quality and price. It is made from premium materials, which have been proven to resist wind, sun, and water. The drone can withstand any weather conditions to provide high-quality videos and pictures. Benefits of utilizing SkyQuad drone. The SkyQuad drone can fly at a distance of approximately 3,000 feet. This range will allow you to capture amazing photos and videos. This aerial view gives you a great overview of your neighborhood. Easy takeoff/landing. The remote control's one-touch takeoff/landing button makes flying and landing the drone a breeze. One click back, SkyQuad drones are easily tracked in two ways. This will bring the drone back to your view. The drone will track you using its GPS system. 3 flying speeds. With its 3 speeds, the SkyQuad drone gives you complete control. You can choose the speed you want to fly at depending on what you are photographing. More options. You can use the SkyQuad drone in a number of settings, including an altitude holding mode. Long battery lifetime. The drone's 3.7 volts 500 mAh LiPo battery allows it to fly up to 20 minutes, and still capture high-quality video. SkyQuad drone pros. The HD camera ensures the highest quality image from the drone. SkyQuad drone reviews online claim that the SkyQuad drone currently has the fastest drone configuration and the size available. SkyQuad drone's price is extremely reasonable. SkyQuad drone has all the features you need. It's easy to use and maintain. SkyQuad drones can follow a defined trajectory in the app. App control ensures privacy by using the Secure Socket Layer Protocol, SSL. SkyQuad drone cons. The goods are not available at any local retail outlets. It is only available for purchase on the manufacturer's site. The product sometimes runs out of stock due to high demand from customers all over the globe. Where to buy SkyQuad drone? Click below now to order SkyQuad drone from the official website. SkyQuad drone pricing details. 1 SkyQuad drone for $99. 2 SkyQuad drones for $138. 4 SkyQuad drones for $236. Final thoughts on SkyQuad drone. Multiple product testing has proven that the SkyQuad drone is as reliable as its makers claim. It is also worth the cost of the drone. This mini drone has amazing camera features. If you don't have any use for it, you can give it to friends and family as a gift. The SkyQuad drone is capable of hovering at a specific altitude while taking photos and videos. SkyQuad drones can follow a defined trajectory in the app. The battery lasts a long time. It should last at most 20 minutes. App control ensures privacy by using the Secure Socket Layer Protocol, SSL. SkyQuad drones are small drones with unique looks. We are so grateful that you stayed until the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Have a great day.